Of course, some persons are yet to do their Bee Network verification. Some are yet to create their wallet, while others are yet to understand the criteria that qualifies you to be able to withdraw your Bee token to the wallet. All right, that is what we're going to be exploring here. So just follow me gradually. All right, locate the settings icon at the top right. You click on it. When you click on it now you can look at this account under the KYC verification. You can see that it is stated there clearly success, having the green ticked sign, okay, the green mark showing that this account has been verified. So if yours is yet to be verified like this, please, you know how to verify it. You go to the KYC verification spot, you click on it, then you try to do your verification. Without the verification, then I don't think you will be qualified or be able to withdraw your Bee token to your Bee wallet during the withdrawal time. All right, so that's for that. So let's go on. Also, take note of the yellow marked sign at the top of the profile. If you don't have it, then you are not verified. Now let's go to the account and security. Click on the arrow at the front. Okay, it brings you here. Right now, if you want to be qualified for the KYC, okay, Bee Network KYC, you need to have registered your phone number and your email. You need to have added your phone number and your email, just like this account you can see. Then binding the Facebook, Google Wallet, Discord, Telegram, X, and all of that, I think they're not necessary for now. Okay, but before this account was verified, I did the phone number and the email. After I was able to bind the both of them, the phone number and the email, I think under a week I was able to do my verification after that. So that's for that. Let's move on to the next. Let's click the top there to go back. All right, click top left again. Okay, so now let's go to the wallet area. Click on the wallet. Once you click on the wallet, this is how the wallet area is. So if you've not created your Bee Network wallet, when you click on that wallet, it's going to tell you to create a wallet. Please make sure you save your passphrase while creating. If you've not created until now, yours is not going to appear like this. Mine appeared like this because I have created the Bee wallet on this, okay, on this account, and I have saved the passphrase. Please keep your passphrase very, very well, very important. All right, next is let's locate the reward area. Click on the reward. Okay, so here's the reward area. Okay, right now let's approach the question mark at the top right. The question mark, click on it. When you click on the question mark there, you allow it to load. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so now we have to scroll down. This is about rewards account and other information, but the place we want to concentrate is here where we have the how to withdraw. All right, so how to withdraw. So this is a list, the criteria listed by the Bee Network, what you need to do, what believers have to do to stay qualified for the withdrawal of the Bee, okay, the Bee token. So right now it says, okay, watch clearly. It says withdrawal will redeem coins in your rewards account into USDT on Polygon chain. So you can see for those people that are buying the Bee token from vendors into the BNB, you might be risking your money, you might be wasting your money, because right here you can see for yourself, it says USDT on Polygon chain. So the Bee network, they're trying to say here that the token is going to be withdrawn. Okay, you will receive your rewards account into USDT on Polygon chain, USDT on Polygon. So Polygon network, Polygon chain is the network that Bee Network is going to be, or the Bee token rather, is going to be listing on. So please be careful and stop buying. Okay, stop buying the Bee token from vendors. All right, let's take a look at this. It says withdrawal shall meet the following conditions: at least 500 coins balance in rewards account. I'm going to be showing you the rewards account. Okay, so many persons may not have qualified for this. Okay, but it doesn't matter, it still have an alternative. If you don't have the 500 coins balance in rewards account, there are still other criteria that you can meet up with. So let's see the next one. It says, all right, so the next is be earning for at least 30 days. Okay, so you need to have a mining streak of about 30 days. A lot of persons are not taking the mining seriously. They just mine for maybe you've not mined straight 30 days. You've not maintained 30 days streaks. Okay, so you have to maintain a 30 days streak to make sure you can be qualified for the withdrawal of the Bee token. Okay, don't mine 2 days and you jump the third day. Okay, just like that. Or you mine 5 days, you jump 1 day. That means you've not kept to the 30 days strict criteria being stated here by the Bee Network. So you have to make sure you maintain a 30-day straight streak. So that's for that. Let's move on to the next. All right, the next one it states that it says, let me read to you. It says, besides, if you already have 10 teammates or 1000 team reward coins, you can withdraw. So if you have 10 teammates, so at least for the Bee network mining, you need to maintain, at least you need to have invited up to 10 teammates, okay, for your withdrawal qualification, okay, to be able to withdraw the Bee token to your wallet. So that's for that. Now let me take you to the reward area. All right, so here is the reward area. You can see cumulative team reward, okay, and all of that. So there is none in this account, okay, but that's not all. If you have 10 teammates, okay, 10 teammates you have invited, you can also be qualified for withdrawal. Okay, so based on all the criteria listed, just make sure at least you have the 30-day streak, you have 10 invitees, okay, to stay ready, and at least 500 mined Bee token. Okay, so these are the criteria that you need to make sure you meet up with. All right, let's go back top left. Let me show you something. Let's go to the home. All right, so here we are. This account has about 25 invitees, and then you can see you can always ping your teammates so that they can always activate their mining. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.